Abbotsford homeowners, are you worried about where the Abbotsford real estate market is headed in 2025? Will prices go up, or are we bracing a market crash fueled by threats like US tariffs imposed by Grandpa Donald? The truth is, the Abbotsford real estate market data is telling a different story. And if you're thinking about selling your home for top dollar, then this video is for you. Today I'll break down the statistics for the Abbotsford detached, townhome, and condo market, and share one powerful tip that will get you the most money for your home without leaving a single dollar on the table. Stick around until the very end. This is advice that you can't miss. Let's start off by reviewing the latest updates from Bank of Canada. In December, Bank of Canada cut rates by another 50 basis points, bringing down their overnight rate to 3.25%. In 2024, Bank of Canada cut rates by 175 basis points. This is more than what economists had predicted or could imagine. Here's the thing, folks. When you get rate cuts, there's a couple of things that you have to keep in mind. Yes, your monthly variable mortgage payments go down, but when banks are cutting rates, it's for one of two reasons. The economy is struggling, and they're trying to stimulate it. At the last Bank of Canada meeting, Bank of Canada used very conservative messaging, saying that they are going to be very conservative with future rate cuts. What my prediction for the rate cuts for this year are rate cuts anywhere between 50 to 75 basis points. But a lot of the top economists in our country all predicting that rates should go down by another 100 basis points. But things that are fueling Bank of Canada to be very conservative are the threats of tariffs by the US. Also, as of December 15th, there were new mortgage rules, meaning first-time home buyers could get an amortization rate of 30 years. The second change is the CMHC mortgage cap increased from $1 million to $1.5 million, meaning if you're looking to purchase a detached home or a townhome up to $1.5 million, you can buy it with a minimum down payment of 10% for a CMHC insured mortgage. Here's the thing, folks, the Abbotsford real estate market isn't crashing. If we have gone through a pandemic, 11 interest rates that did not crash the market, I'm quite sure the Abbey real estate market will be fine. Let's get into the numbers. The Abbotsford detached market represented a balanced market for the month of December at 18%, and the days on market was around 24. When you're looking at months of inventory for detached home, it sits around the 4-month mark. But here's the thing that I talked about in my last video, folks. Right now, there's a lot of detached homes that are tenant occupied that make up the total number of inventory. And if you're wondering why detached homes are not selling, click the video above where I give you a complete overview. So as we head into the spring market, one of the things that I've been educating a lot of my sellers on is that yes, inventory will go up, but the demand outpaces the supply, meaning there's a lot more buyers than the number of homes available. Right now in East Abbotsford, the East Abbey detached market is representing a seller's market. Last year, 10 out of the 12 months, the East Abbey detached market represented a seller's market. And if you look at Abbotsford West fluctuated last year between a buyer's market and balanced market. And if you review the number of homes for sale in West Abbotsford for those quality detached homes, there's very few homes for sale. And right now, the biggest thing buyers are looking for are quality detached homes between the $1 million to the $1,250,000 price range, and that is representing a seller's market. There's very few homes for sale, and just anecdotal evidence from the front lines. The first week of January, I hosted an open house for one of my detached listings here in West Abbotsford, and it was a 2-hour open house. Over the span of 2 hours, we had 8 groups and a total of 21 people through. The next day, we ended up with multiple offers, 3 in total, and the sellers chose the best offer. So what this means is if you're a homeowner and you're thinking about listing your home this spring, it means it might be a good time to list your home. Next, let's talk about the Abbotsford townhome market. The Abbotsford townhome market also represented a seller's market in the month of December at 21%. Days on market was around 20. If you look at the months of inventory on the screen for Abbotsford townhomes for the last year, you'll notice that there was very limited inventory of quality townhomes for sale, and this was also outpaced by demand. The typical buyers for Abbey Detached and the Abbey Townhomes are people in town that are looking to upgrade, or there's also a lot of buyers from the Lower Mainland that are looking to relocate to Abbotsford because of affordability. Yes, folks, Abbotsford is still more affordable in comparison to places like Langley, Surrey, and the Lower Mainland. Next, let's talk about the Abbey condo market. The Abbey condo market also represented a seller's market at 21%. and the average days on market was 18. If you're a first-time home buyer and you're looking for a quality 2-bed, 2-bath condo under the price range of $500,000, one of the few things that you'll notice is there's very few quality units listed for sale, and if there are units that go on sale, they don't last on the market for very long. So if you're a first-time home buyer, this is my suggestion to you. Don't wait, because the market is going to get busy again, and the way it starts is it gets busy with the detached market, then there's a ripple effect to the townhome market turning into a seller's market, and the last market is the condo market. So if you're pre-approved and you're ready to go, there is no reason to why you should be waiting on the sidelines. So now you might be asking yourselves, all right, this is great news for the Abbotsford real estate market, but Gary, what the hell was the one powerful tip that you were talking about for if you want to get top dollar for your home, folks? Here is the tip. The number one tip to get most money for your home, whether you're selling a detached home, townhome, or a condo market, is list your home during spring. And the second thing is schedule an offer date, presentation, and time when you're going to review offers. So what I mean by this is when I take on a listing, I always list my home on a Monday, and we always review offers the following Tuesday. And here's the reason why, folks. We want to make sure we get the most qualified buyers through the door. And majority of our showings are going to occur between Friday and Sunday, because a lot of people are at work and they're not going to miss the day of work to come take a look at a home on a Monday or Tuesday morning or early afternoon. Too often what I see in our Abbotsford real estate market is home sellers will list their home on Monday and they'll take the first offer that comes their way. And this could be the lowest offer, meaning there were other qualified buyers that might have been interested in their home and might have been willing to pay a little bit more. So if you are thinking about buying a home in 2025, click the link below to book a meeting with me and my team. I'm Gary Dhindsa, and we'll see you next week.